In her timeless novel, To Kill a Mockingbird, Harper Lee offers a profound insight into the nature of empathy. You never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view, until you climb into his skin and walk around in it. This sentiment captures the essence of empathy, an inner capacity to perceive, feel, and resonate with the emotional world of another. True empathy requires us to momentarily dissolve our own perspective, embracing the point of view of someone else. From a spiritual standpoint, empathy is more than a psychological trait. It is a doorway into the heart of unity. Those who walk the path of mindfulness and inner reflection often find this ability awaken naturally within them. Conversely, in individuals afflicted with deep emotional disconnection, such as sociopath or psychopath, empathy can appear dormant or absent altogether. Empathy serves as the fertile ground from which tolerance grows. When we perceive the world through another's eyes, we open ourselves to acceptance. Tolerance in this light is not passive endurance, but an active embrace of diversity, a recognition that every soul is journeying through its own sacred curriculum. Without this quality, society is vulnerable to division, conflict, and in its most tragic form, war. Spiritual traditions, including Sufism, place great emphasis on the cultivation of empathy. In the Sufi path, two practices are held in particular esteem. The first is selfless service. When we serve others without expectation or desire for recognition, the veil between self and other begins to disappear. Acts of humble service allows us to experience the joys and suffering of those we help, nurturing compassion and understanding in the heart. The second is contemplation of oneness. The mystic insight of the unity of being invites us to behold all of existence as expression of a single divine reality. Though this state of realization of oneness is primarily experiential, contemplating it helps us to dissolve the illusion of multiplicity. In this awareness, your pain is my pain, my joy, your joy. We're not many, but one.